Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Fun Learning. Yes, so first of all, I really want to say thank you so much for loving my channel and supporting it too much. It really means a lot to me. So, have you ever read a poem and felt like the words are dancing, singing, or I can say that they are even painting a picture in your mind? Well, that magic happens because of something called poetic devices. So, today I am going to explain the poetic devices, and there are many examples of it. And then you will get to know okay why the poems are actually feel realistic. So, let's begin. Okay, the first example is simile. What is simile? Simile means when you are comparing two different things by using like or as. As you can say that her eyes were as bright as stars. So here we are comparing the eyes with stars. Second example I can give it to you like the baby is sleeping like an angel. So what are we comparing here? We are comparing baby with angel. The baby is sleeping like an angel. So here I have added these two different things with like. Okay, so let's see more example. He is as brave as lion. He is as busy as bee. So here we are saying that this particular person is as busy as bee. We are comparing a person with busy bee. Third, he slay like a fox. Okay, the second one is your metaphor. What is metaphor? Metaphor in which one thing is compared directly to another, even though they are different. Okay, in simile also we compare two different things, whereas in metaphor also we are comparing two different things. But then what's the difference? The difference is in simile we are using as or like, whereas in metaphor we do not use as or like. But here we are doing direct comparison without using as or like. Let me give you one example like time is a thief. Okay, time chor hai? No, time is a thief. Like time does not steal anything. But here the metaphor suggests that time has taken the moment just like the thief takes or takes away. Okay, let me give you one more example. You might have heard this example a lot, and your teacher must have said it. The classroom is a zoo. Really? Is it true? So, yes, the classroom is a zoo. It means that here again I am comparing the classroom with a zoo. Her voice is music to my ears. Okay, her voice is music to my ears. Here we are comparing the voice is like a music. So again I am doing a direct comparison. See, you might get confused between simile and metaphor because they both compare two different things. But the only difference is in simile we are using as or like, whereas in metaphor I am not adding any word like as or like, but here I am doing a direct comparison. Okay, so let's see more examples here. First one is time is a thief that steals our moments. I just explained you this. Second, her smile was a ray of sunshine on a rainy day. And the rest two examples I already have explained. The classroom was a zoo during recess and his voice was music to her ears.